According to a report by PayPal, most Indian freelancers earn around 2 lakh rupees per month, whereas top 23% freelancers earn 5 lakh rupees a month. The income of full-time bloggers and best-selling authors is even better. They tend to earn 15 to 20 lakh rupees a month. Most of these high-earning professionals earn because of their excellent writing skills. If you can write well, then you can either become a freelance writer, you can become a full-time blogger, or you can share your stories, expertise or thought process with millions of the readers across the internet by publishing a book. In the 50th episode of the Logo Files Lounge, I am going to talk about our content writing course that is designed to help you transform your writing skills in just 90 days. Not just that, it also helps you monetize your writing skills in multiple ways. Education and Career Times, or ECT as it is known, was established in 2010 as a career blog. Today, it is the only content writing training organization which is recognized by the Government of India. Because of our recognition, a certification from ECT carries a lot of weightage in the employment industry. ECT Advanced Content Writing course is designed to transform your writing skills in just 90 days. The entire course is divided into two parts. In the first part, you will attend 10 live and interactive classes. This part focuses on building a foundation in content writing in which you will learn the key concepts of all writing types. You will get the lifetime access of recorded videos of all the classes and study material. In this part, you will also be working on various writing assignments. We will give you a detailed and personalized feedback on every assignment so that you can identify your strengths and work on your weak areas. In the second part of the course, you will be working on the live projects. Live projects are like internship opportunities in which you will work on real projects from real clients under the close supervision of experienced content writers. It will help you build a portfolio, gain practical experience, and craft a successful career path in content writing. Now, this is the course curriculum that we are going to cover. After completing the course, you will earn a widely recognized certification. You will get full-time placement supports in which we will assist you get full-time as well as freelancing writing job opportunities. Not just that, you will also become a lifetime member of International Publishers, a dedicated platform for accredited writers. It will further enhance your corporate profile and enable you to network with like-minded writers from across the globe. Click on the link given in the description of this video to request a free demo class and clarify all your doubts. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest update. Thank you very much for watching the video.